Hello everyone, this is Daniel Riker with Hybrid Training LLC. Today we're going to be doing another resistance band workout, video 3. This workout, like all the other beginner workouts, are going to consist of lower body, core, and upper body. Right now we're going to start off with the upper body. We're going to be doing some chest flies. You want to start off with the band about midway or lower part of the back. You want to bring those hands together, kind of bring it into almost like a cup. Hold it there for a second, bring it down. As you're doing this, you want to make sure that the back remains tight. As you bring it up all the way, you want to focus on keeping those shoulders down. And once the shoulders are in that right place, you want to breathe consistently through that exercise. Right now we're going to be going into the front raises. You're going to bring that up, again, focusing on the shoulders. You want to make sure to keep the shoulders down, the core tight. Breathe out through this exercise. As you're lifting up, breathe out. As you're going down, breathe in. You want to make sure to keep those hips engaged. We're going to switch exercises right now. We're going to go ahead and attach the band to the pole. We're going to be doing tricep kickbacks. You want to make sure to keep those wrists tight. We're going to stabilize the body by pushing those hips back a little bit. We're going to kick the arm down and back and hold it in that position just a little bit as we squeeze down. I'm going to show you the switching arm. You want to stabilize the hips, keep the core tight. Make sure, again, you want to squeeze a little bit into the tricep as you're doing that. Now, we're going to bring the band around the back and bring the band overhead. We're doing the band pillars. We're keeping the core tight. This is all abdominal work right here. You got to breathe out deeply as you're doing this. This is going to keep that core really engaged. Now we're going to be switching exercises again. We're going to bring the band all the way down towards the ground. Then we're going to bring the chair over the band. Okay, make sure you do that. You want to bring the chair over the band. And then you're going to pull the band through. Then the foot's going to go right on. You want to make sure that as you're bringing that leg up, the band's trying to stay on the lower part of the leg. Extend it about all the way up, but you want to make sure that it's not going too high up so that it basically goes flying back towards you. You're just trying to make sure you get some of that extension out of the leg, really trying to work the quads with this exercise. You might need a heavier band in order to work the quads a little bit heavier. This is a lighter band. I'm kind of keeping the same band throughout all the exercises, but you can go ahead and change it to a heavier band if you have it. What I want to do is show you some of the problems that can happen if you were to extend the leg a little bit too far. When you do that and you extend it, you might get a couple of good ones, but then it might just slip right off. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and visit our website, hybridtrainingllc.com.